AngularJS Introduction. Today I am going to tell about what is AngularJS. AngularJS is an open source JavaScript model view controller framework for web application or websites. It extends the HTML and makes it dynamic. AngularJS can be used to create single page applications, for example Gmail. It was originally developed in 2009 by Misko Hevery and Adam Abbons. It is now maintained by Google. Its latest version is 1.2.21. AngularJS is an open source JavaScript framework by Google to build web applications. It can be freely used, changed, and shared by anyone. Now features of AngularJS. Data binding. It is the automatic synchronization of data between model and view components. Next feature, scope. These are objects that refer to the model. They act as a glue between controller and view. Next, controller. These are JavaScript functions bound to a particular scope. Next, services. AngularJS comes with several built-in services such as $HTTP to make a XML HTTP request. These are singleton objects which are instantiated only once in app. Filters. These select a subset of items from an array and returns a new array. Directives. Directives are markers on document object model elements such as elements, attributes, CSS and more. These can be used to create custom HTML tags that serve as new custom widgets. AngularJS has built-in directives such as ngbind, ngmodel, etc. Templates. These are the rendered view with the information from the controller and model. These can be a single file such as index.html. Next part is advantage of AngularJS. It provides the capability to create single page application in a very clean and maintainable way. It provides data binding capability to HTML, thus it gives user a rich and responsive experience. AngularJS code is unit testable. In AngularJS, views are pure HTML pages and controllers written in JavaScript do the business processing. AngularJS uses dependency injection and make use of separation of concerns. AngularJS provides reusable components. With AngularJS, the developers can achieve more functionality with short code. Users dependency injection. Easy to unit test. Open source JavaScript model view controller framework. Supported by Google. No need to learn another scripting language. It's just pure JavaScript and HTML. Supports separation of concerns by using model view controller design pattern. Built-in attributes makes HTML dynamic, easy to extend and customize. Supports single-page applications. Now disadvantage of AngularJS. Not secure. Being JavaScript only framework, applications written in AngularJS are not safe. Server-side authentication and authorization is must to keep an application secure. Not degradable. If the user of your application disables JavaScript, then nothing would be visible except the basic page. Now, applications of AngularJS. AngularJS is an efficient framework that can create rich internet applications. AngularJS provides developers an options to write client-side application using JavaScript in a clean model view controller way. Applications written in AngularJS are cross-browser compliant. AngularJS automatically handles JavaScript code suitable for each browser. AngularJS is open source, completely free and used by thousands of developers around the world. It is licensed under the Apache License version 2.0.